And therefore our aim is to be a Viksit nation, Viksit Bharat 2047. This requires eightfold increase in per capita income. This calls for peace on our frontiers. Economic development cannot take place if we have warlike situations. Peace is fundamental to growth and development. Peace comes from strength in security, strength in economy, strength in development, and deep commitment, unflinching commitment, unqualified commitment to nationalism. I have reiterated on a number of occasions, I reiterate here. National security demands unshakable, unflinching commitment to nationalism and relentless preparedness